Armageddon, zombie type of shit.
Yeah. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Search and Explore. Yes. I'm excited.
I'm excited too. You know, we had a very eventful day.
Yeah, we sure did. But we found a spot. It's like South Chicago, Hegwish.
East Side area.
If you don't know what East Side is, it's okay. No one ever does. We're in an abandoned industrial...
It's like an industrial location. I see a lot of rail train guts everywhere, rusting out, you know. A couple of rusted buildings around here. Fun fact, I think this is where they filmed certain spots of this area that was not that new, but that Freddy Krueger movie, you know, Nightmare.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, Nightmare on Elm Street.
Yup, and we're right by Lake Michigan. Oh,
dude, a fish just jumped.
What?
Yes.
Safety first, y'all. Dang.
Well, you guys can get an idea of where we're at right now. I'm sure a lot of locals would recognize this.
Yeah, it's definitely a little walk. I'm sure everybody has driven by it. Probably like, oh, I wonder what's back there, you know, and this is what's back there, you know, and for some of us local people that are a little adventurous, I'm sure you recognize where it is. I haven't seen any much videos like this. I don't know if our good pal Fuzzy behind the camera has, but let's take you guys in, see what's up.
Let's go. Yo, look, you see that opening right there?
Hell yeah.
What'd I just say?
Is hell a curse word? Do you guys think, our YouTube community, you guys consider hell a curse word? Give us some feedback on that one. Okay. I'm not walking over that one.
Is that a hole under there?
Yeah. You know me, I'm good at finding the holes.
Oh, I know. Very aware.
Yeah, sorry.
Yo, there's a little opening here. Oh, be careful. Right below you, bro. Oof. Oh, there's another.
You can hear the water.
Oh,
Dude, you literally hear water down there.
That's crazy. This is crazy, y'all. There's also an opening right here, too.
Dude, this looks so cool.
What is that?
It feels very like plasticky, cementy. Hard. Dude, this is some expensive stuff right here. Like chains out here, you know, and I can't go anywhere. Then whatever the heck this machine is chops off my other hand.
Crazy. I feel like this is like a video game level.
Yeah.
Like we gotta like explore around, find the entrance, find the piece puzzles.
Yeah, find the keys and stuff.
Yeah.
I want to climb that.
We are gonna climb that.
Yes, sir. Whoa.
No hidden door opened?
Nothing. You gotta find the right combination.
I think so too. Did you hear that? Did you hear that?
This is how boss battles happen.
I know. Oh man, I'm waiting for the big Resident Evil monster to come out from that way.
Yo. Ooh, these stairs, this doesn't feel safe at all. But, safe. We don't know her.
Yeah, we don't know. We'll figure it out right now.
Alright guys, so you guys are getting a... Oh my god, dude, if we fall.
Ah,
see
we'll
that?
be fine.
Ooh. Stop. Now, I don't know if y'all know this, but I am actually afraid of heights. So this is
Ricky's all for the heights.
yeah, period. Yeah, it's like a big opening. Oh, there's a lot to explore over there. Look at that. Ooh. That's dope. Let's go. Yo, there's some more stairs over here too. Gotta find a way over there.
I wonder they filmed Freddy Krueger in here.
Right?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Holy cow.
You guys can see the other side. Okay, now this is the stuff of horror movies right here. Ooh. Get out. Yo.
Bro, there's stairs going down here, dude.
What?
Yeah, dude, and it's pitch dark.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yo, okay. Yeah, we'll be down there.
You already know.
We're going.
Let's go.
This floor is moist.
There's water running down here.
Oh my
I don't think it's safe. Because you hear the water?
Yeah.
It's like the lake part. Remember from the first shot? And like as I'm walking, it's like it keeps moving.
Oh.
See?
Oh yeah.
It's like we're right on it. Like
Yeah, that would be bad.
yeah.
Okay. Sorry, y'all. It's kind of dangerous.
Yeah, so we had to leave the basement. It was sinking, and we're right like above the lake. And like Rick, like he stepped on something, and you
Yeah.
can hear like this. So,
It was probably that piece of wood that I was stepping on, or floor, whatever it is, was very thin. Because as I was stepping on it, you just like I said, you just heard whoo, whoo, and like I was splashing water at the same time. But and then we kept on hearing water running. I don't know if you guys heard that when we were down there. So
Yeah.
it's like I don't know. I don't know.
so we found an alternative.
Not basement, but it's a little entrance here. We found another dark spot. It's really narrow here.
Yeah. Oh shit.
I'm gonna go this way.
see what's over here. Oh my god, this is narrow. I barely fit.
Are we in the same spot?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, not narrow at all.
You know, I chose the hard route.
I found the stairs. They're over here, the ones we're looking for. Oh, look, a ladder.
Yeah. Oh, but it just takes us to that room. And that's it. Watch your head on that thing.
Oh yeah, gotta be careful, guys. So this is what's gonna lead to the other side, right?
Looks like it. We gotta be safe. You know why? Because safety first, everyone. Safety first.
We have to say that.
Yeah.
Yo, it's getting higher and higher and higher. The view's kind of nice, though. Alright. Ooh, this boy goes high.
Oh.
Whew. My mom's gonna be watching me doing this. Oh, that does not look safe.
I know, that's why I started walking it. Didn't I just say safety first too?
Yeah, you gotta be safe, y'all. Someone's gotta edit this stuff. Nice little breeze up here, though. Yo, high key, I want to walk that yellow thing, whatever that is.
Ooh, that was kind of scary. Big ass light bulbs.
Safety first. Machinery. Yo, we're gonna cross that?
Let's do it.
I already knew the answer. Oh my god. Does it feel safe?
A little bit. Not really.
No, I would not. You know what? Look. It's like detached here. It feels like it might have rotten or something.
Yeah.
This is probably not safe area to walk.
This is the most unsafest environment we've gone to.
Yeah,
next to the asylum that we went to.
High key. Yeah,
But at least the
it's a
asylum
long way down.
At least the asylum, the spirits would be haunting us and messing up with us. So we really don't know when it's happening. Here it's like, oh, we actually feel it, and I might fall right through. Hey guys, got some news. Tell them.
So, I'm pregnant.
Not my baby. Just to clarify.
No, so it's gonna start raining. It was drizzling, and we checked the weather. It's gonna say it's gonna start raining like in 5 minutes or so. So, we had to pretty much dip. We didn't get to explore everything, but I think we explored like a lot of good chunk of it, because we tried to check out other buildings and they were kind of empty, nothing that crazy. But yeah, we walked through all of that. We walked through the trains and stuff to get there, and yeah. But we're gonna come back because there's this other building that we want to check out. But
definitely, you know.
But yeah, but we just didn't want to like risk our equipment in the rain. That's all, which sucks. But what are you gonna do?
Because if we risk our equipment, that means no more videos for you guys.
And I can't afford another camera right now. Anyway, so yeah, so this is it for now. But there'll be a part 2. We're gonna come back.
Both show.
Yes. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, whatever. Yeah, we'll see you. We'll see you in the. We'll see you in the next one.
Yeah. Peace out, guys. I feel like it's such a bummer. I feel bummed on this one.
Yeah.
Sorry. I feel like I failed you guys. To be honest with you. Sorry.
Yeah, you did. I didn't, but you did.
Damn. Sorry.
I'm kidding. All right, guys. We love you. Peace out.
Peace out.